You had stated that Grace had pulled a knife out at you because you have a big mouth and always say what you think, correct?
Not exactly, but I just said a joke and that she didn't like.
Okay. So you're not necessarily a very passive person, correct, Kiara?
I am a very passive person, actually.
Okay. But you do like to say what you think?
Not so much anymore.
Okay, but previously?
When I was younger, yes.
You would say what you think to Isaac?
To Isaac, yes. I
Okay.
trusted him.
You also stated that Grace always had a knife with her, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now, in your pretrial interview, you had stated that Isaac handed you the sword and started swinging at Kiara, correct?
Kiara?
Or at Grace.
He handed me the sword, and that's when I got the cuts on my hands. And then I swung.
Okay. So this is the same sword that you had ordered on Amazon, correct?
Yes.
And you wanted the sword, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And in fact, you had an infatuation towards swords, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And your mom was part of some sort of medieval sword club, correct?
It was LARPing, live action role play.
I'm sorry?
Live action role play.
Okay. And you grew up around swords, correct?
Well, not with one in the house, but she taught me how to fight with one, but we used sticks at the time.
So your mom taught you how to fight with swords.
Yeah, just for LARPing, and it's fun to LARP.
So at some point, did you kind of want to live out this fantasy of actually using a sword?
I bought it because I thought the end of the world was coming.
Okay. Now, you stated in the pretrial interview that Isaac had touched a sword and moved the sword, correct?
Yes.
And you state that was your testimony here today, that Isaac had, or your testimony here today is that Isaac handed you the sword, correct?
Yes, he handed me the sword.
Okay. Now, in the interview prior to taking the plea agreement with your attorneys and the state, you had stated something completely different, correct?
I don't remember.
Okay. You would have stated that Isaac had swung at Kiara, correct?
Used the wrong name again.
I'm
but
sorry?
yes, you used my name.
Or
instead of-
Grace, excuse me.
Yes.
I don't like it. Good. You said that Isaac had swung at Grace, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And in the police interview, you didn't say that Isaac handled the sword at all, correct?
I don't recall.
In the pretrial interview, you stated that Isaac had did this while you were in the shower, correct?
Oh, there was something that happened while I was in the shower. I'm not sure exactly what, because her body moved and so did the sword.
But you have no way of actually knowing this, correct?
Just that it moved because I went, because I
Okay.
saw it.
Now, you had no coaching before the interview you initially did with Detective Vio, correct?
Correct.
Okay. But you were prepped by your defense attorneys before doing the interview with the state before you took the plea agreement?
Objection, Your Honor.
Approach.
So you were prepped for the interview that you had with the state, with the prosecutors, and your defense attorneys before you took the plea agreement, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So what exactly did you want Grace to say sorry for when you were over her?
For the rape that I believed happened at the time.
Okay. Now, you didn't have to stay with Isaac Apodaca to have a place to stay, correct?
No.
Okay. You in fact stayed in your mom's detached garage, correct?
Yes.
Okay. But Isaac needed a place to stay when he was staying with you, correct?
Yes.
And in fact, you would kick him out frequently, correct?
No.
Okay. Isaac wasn't wearing a bodysuit or anything that day, correct?
Not that I'm aware of.
Okay. Now, you had also previously stated that you hadn't slept for 4 days prior, correct?
Correct.
Okay. How do you stay awake for 4 days?
Red Bull?
It's a lot of Red Bull.
Yeah.
Okay. Could you just have been imagining things?
No.
Okay. Now, after all of this happened, you took a shower, correct?
Yes.
You didn't call the police, did you?
No.
You didn't call 911?
No, I did not.
So if Isaac had planned any of this, I mean, he totally missed the part of not calling 911, correct?
Correct.
Because he did call 911. Correct?
That's correct.
Now, you also stated that you've been seeing Isaac everywhere, correct?
When I first got arrested, yes.
Just as a foundation.
Yeah, clarify what you mean.
Okay. Again, do you remember doing the pretrial interview in this case with myself, my investigator, your attorneys, and the state's attorneys?
Yes.
Okay. And you have stated that you've been seeing Isaac everywhere, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Even in the jail?
He was very